name is Dr. Sarah Godsey, and I'm an assistant professor at Idaho State University. I've been there for about 3 semesters now, and I focus on work in polar and mountain regions. Specifically, I look at catchment hydrology, so I care about watersheds and how water moves through the landscape, how it changes in terms of the amount of water, the quality of water, and the timing, and especially how that timing can influence water quality and water availability. My undergraduate studies were very diverse. It was basically Latin American studies and environmental science, and I went and worked in the tropics, especially in Latin America, for a little while, and I was interested in all sorts of different things, so I tried out a few different options, looking at atmospheric science and looking at ecology, and then I took a hydrology class and started to pursue that, and it's very elegant. It's a simple kind of, you're trying to use basic concepts of conservation of energy and conservation of mass to better understand the natural world, and that's pretty cool. So this is obviously not the tropics. And so I have transitioned from working in the tropics to higher and higher latitudes. I did a lot of my PhD work so my master's work was in the tropics, my PhD work was more in mid-latitudes, and now I've moved northward yet, and part of the reason was that as I was looking for postdoc opportunities, Michael Gusev, who will be up here later, but I don't think he'll overlap with you. He and I spoke, and he's done some really cool work with hypereic exchange in Arctic systems and elsewhere. And we were just talking about the things that he was up to, and he mentioned the thermokarst project that I worked on during my postdoc. And it's incredibly fascinating work. It's and important work, I think, for folks to understand what some of the feedbacks in the Arctic system could be, and understanding the water aspect of that and the temperature aspects of how exactly are these features forming, how are they different from one another if they don't look the same on the landscape. So it drew me in.